Good morning, students. We will continue chapter 5, page number 83. Today we will see text alignment. So, we have discussed in our last class what is MS PowerPoint, how to use this built-in templates, how to modify something, how to customize it, and we have started to know formatting a presentation to make it look good, means the formatting of the presentation. So we have done the formatting of presentation we have done in the generally we are doing in the font group and paragraph group. So in the font group, whatever the a font related to the font, its a size, its a style, that we have done. So that we already we have learned about that one. Now today we will see how to align our text. So what is text alignment? Actually, text alignment is that the positioning of your text, that is where is your text, actually the positioning of text respect to the page margin, means from the page margin to, like, this is your page margin. So where is your text? So this is the regarding about to the page margin to the your, where is your text, either from this side or from this side, the positioning of the text. Actually, simply the word is that positioning of the text, that is your called the text alignment. So alignment is an arrangement of text in the slide. In PowerPoint, the alignment can be either horizontal or vertical. So that, as I told, that this is suppose that anywhere. So like from here it can be the positioning of the text, or from this side the positioning of the text, means with respect to this one or with respect to this one. So the positioning of text can be done. Okay, so that is like a vertical wise or horizontal wise. Okay, so like this is the vertical, this is the horizontal wise. Okay, so according to that it can be text can be alignment, text can be aligned. So we can set the alignment either before entering the text or later on, so that both it is possible. So similarly, as we are doing in the MS Word section, that same type of, in the same method we will apply here also. Okay, so first of all we will see which is first one, vertical alignment. So vertically how it will be aligned. So you can see by this vertical alignment we can adjust like top, middle, bottom, means vertically you means from here with respect to this we are doing. So it can be top. Okay, means vertically it which actually with respect to this it is happening, this is a vertical line and this is your horizontal line. Okay, but actually this is the vertical alignment, means where is your text, either on the here. Okay, second position, first position top, middle can be here, then after bottom. So bottom at the last it will be. So likewise it is the positioning of the text, your text will be here. So you can see it's the movement of your text is like this, means vertical wise it is moving from here to there, either it can be middle, top, middle or bottom. So this is your vertical alignment. Got it? Now let's see how to do it. So select the text and click on the alignment, text alignment on the paragraph group. So you will get this all in the paragraph group, because generally most of the formatting of the document is done only in the font group and the paragraph group, and these two you will, where you will get in the home tab, where you will get home tab, in the home tab. Okay, so you can see this is in the home tab. Now here is the options are like top, middle, bottom. So anyone according to your uses you can select it. Next one, horizontal alignment. So horizontal alignment, to align text horizontally on placeholder. So this will be according to the horizontal wise, means suppose your text, this is your margin. Okay, this is your, suppose this is your margin. So your text will be here, starting from here, or it will be from from the center, or it can be from this side, or it will be justified, means in between like this it will be in the center. So this is called this type of alignment is called the horizontal alignment. Okay, so here you can do like this left alignment, okay, right alignment, centered, justified. So about this already you have learned in your previous chapter in MS Word. So that is same actually. Okay, so how your text will be appear, where it will be exist. Okay, so that is it can be wise vertical wise, or it can be the horizontal wise. Okay, Now, next, changing the line spacing. So between the line there we can change the line spacing. Is actually like this is suppose this is your line, two lines are there, three four lines are there, between that some space are there. So this space we can change like this, like we can do like this or this kind of space. So there you can see there are different spaces between the lines, so that we can do it here. Okay, so this is the sign, this is the actually sign for this line spacing. So how you can do it to change the line spacing? The same thing, we have to like click on the line spacing option. Here the option is there, line spacing option. From in the paragraph group you will see it. So there you will see the some numbers, so like 1.0 1.5. so from here according to your use or line spacing option, some options you will get. So you can do by like some customization you can do also, and these are the by default size are there. So these are the predefined size are there, you can take anyone and you can do. Here you can see in the more to know, if the text pane is not visible, if the text pane is not visible, click on the design tab. If it is not visible text tab, so where you will go? In the design tab under the smart art, under tab smart art tools, and select the text pane from the create graphics group. Okay, so if it is not visible, this text pane is not visible, if this text pane is not visible, then what you will do, what you can do? So you can go to the design tab. Where you will go? Into the design tab. In the design tab you will see there is a smart art. Okay, in that you will select the text pane, and from where you will get create graphic group. Okay, now you can select the appropriate size and you can do the line spacing. So next type of formatting is like this is the applying theme. Now this is all about here we up to here changing the spacing, these all come under the formatting of text. So you can formatting of your slide. So you can format means like these two formatting in the font group and the paragraph group. So that all that is finished. Now we will see next, which is applying theme. Now next part is the theme. So first of all, what is theme? Theme is that it is a set of colors. A theme is a set of colors, fonts, effect, background, layouts, etc. that can be applied to your presentation to give it consistent and professional look. Okay, so that is your theme. PowerPoint include built-in theme. See, as we have seen that templates. Okay, templates is just like a ready-made is a presentation is given. So theme is quite same type of that, but it is also having some different like its effect, background, all things are there. And PowerPoint include built-in theme. Similarly, it is built-in a theme means that come with the MS PowerPoint, that is built-in, that allow you to easily create presentation without spending much time on formatting. Means like you are doing the formatting means you are adjusting that means like you have the any template, on the template you are adjusting, or simply a blank presentation you have taken, so there you are doing some modification, customization you are doing. But if you will take the theme, so that is no need to do because that will be already that is done already, so no need to do anything, simply you can do your work, so that will save your time. The default office theme will which consists white background. So very important this part. So by default, which is the office theme, that will consist white background. Which type of background it will consist? White background. And which type of font? Calibri font, and primarily black text. So the color of the text will be black, type of the font will be Calibri, the name of the font, and its a background will be white background. Okay, theme can be applied or changed anytime. So that themes we can apply or you can change for the anytime. So for that, how we will use it, the process to change the theme, first of all we click on the design tab. Where we will click on the design tab. In the theme group you will see few themes available as thumbnail. So you will see some themes are, you can see in the design tab, you can see there are some, these are the different themes are available, and this type of look is called, this type of arrangement is called thumbnail. Okay, so you will see, and from there to view the themes, click on the more drop down menu button, right of the themes, this will open themes gallery. There will be about 31 built-in theme. So you are with this MS PowerPoint, about how many themes you will get? About 31. Okay, about 31 themes you will get it. Okay, some you can download it also. Okay, you can browse you can download it from the internet also. Okay, so now next is that hover the mouse over the theme listed to view live preview. Means you will bring your mouse cursor over that theme, so you can see the live preview of that particular slide and theme. Click on the desired theme and same theme will be applied for the all slides. Okay, so you can change it like during the writing your presentation, or after that you can choose, and you can see it's a preview also, which one is suitable for you, you can use. Alternatively, you can right click on the particular theme and select apply to all. The another method is that simply you can click on that theme and select this apply to all slide. To apply to all slides the presentation and apply to selected slide to apply only selected slides. Okay, so apply to selected slides to apply the only selected slide, or you can apply to the all slide. So that two options you will get, apply to all slides or apply to selected slides. So that is up to you where you want to apply it. Got it? Next, changing color scheme. So color scheme, there are some colors it is available. I just told you what is theme. Theme having the set of colors, font, effect, everything that have. So we can choose some, we can change it also. So like a changing color scheme. Now you must have understood that theme or template has color scheme. So here you can see theme and template. So both have the color scheme. Okay. For each presentation, you can change color scheme for entire presentation or for of a single slide. The color of a specific element on the slide, like title, text, other text, background, etc., you can change. Okay, so open any slide on your presentation, click on the design tab. Okay, click more button on variants group on the design tab. So you will where you have to go, first of all you have to see this one. First of all you have to go here, click on more button. Where you have to click on the more button in the variant group of design tab. Under the design tab you will see there is a variant group. Okay, so this is your this is the design tab actually. Under this you will see there is the more button, and there you will find the some more options like this. Click on the color option and hover over various options selected desired color scheme. Okay, so you can see there are different colors schemes are there. Or another method to apply the color scheme to all the slides, right click on the color scheme. Okay, and select apply to all slide. Or if you apply the color scheme only to the selected slide, select the apply to slide option. So that you can do, that is up to you. There is another method. So either you can follow from the design tab, you can go to the design tab and there is a more button, and from the variant group you can select or you can see the preview also, or simply right click on that particular color, or you can apply for the all or for the particular slide. So you can do it from here also. Got it? Now next we have changing background color. Now this is here we have seen, here is changing color scheme. Okay, that is for the color scheme. Now we can do here changing background color. Our background of that slide we can change. So similarly we can do from where? So simply we have to go to the design tab in the customize group, and from there we will see the format background. So before that, changing background color pattern texture of the slide, so that we can do. So here in the design tab we will see that. So you can see there is a how to do format background task pane will appear, select the presentation. Okay, so there is the format background. In the customization part you can see in the design tab. In the design tab you will see the customize group. So here this is the customize group. Here in this you will see this is the format background. So here in the format background you will see some options like solid fill, gradient fill, picture tab. Okay, so this is the different patterns in which way you want to apply it, or other options is also there. Offset percentage is there, it's the texture how it will look, so that you can adjust it from here. Then after you can use the apply to all. Okay, here is that to fill solid color as background, click on the solid fill. Now click on the color option, like here we have choose the solid fill, so that will be applied. And from here you can choose the color. Some colors are there, standard colors are there, more colors also you can get it from here. So here is option to get the more colors, so from here you can get the more colors. Eyedroppers is there, you can select some colors from different portions of the picture, so that is also this option is available. Okay, then after you will see this one, more color option is there, that I told about. This more color will open this dialog box. So here you can select some more options, means more colors which is not available earlier, so that you can see it here from here. Okay, then after you can click either standard tab or custom tab to select color. Once selected, then after okay, so after selected, here is that custom tab and here is that standard will be also there. So either anyone you can select, and then after selecting, simply here you have to select the color, any color you will select, then after click it here. Okay, so that color will be selected. Okay, then after use to apply to all format background or apply to all the slides, click the close button and that will be applied to the background of your slide. Okay, background color will be changed. So this is the method by which we can change the background. Okay.